Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in QLD Health HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to get logged into your account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.sso.wfm.health.qld.gov.au. Once you do this, you will end up in the official site of Queensland Health HR page. Here you need to simply type in your code and your password to your account and simply tap on the login option. Or even if you have forgotten your password, tap on forgot password to reset your account and get access to your account back. So this is how you get logged in your QLD Health HR. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.